has been into predictive analytics, predicting what
All the good words you have kept on the screen, they look very, very interesting and juicy. But I don't want to go and learn online because it will take a lot of time. I wanted to meet experts like you and set the right path, because if you have a right guru, everything else will be taken care of. That's what I believe in.
yes, yes. The thing is that in internet, lots of things there. So we need to do if we are going with any of the training session on these things that will give us the time management actually. So we
Hmm.
do all this our course during the time session, or else if we do ourselves, it will take after the some time. Means after 1 week, 2 week, we get bored or we exit from there. That happens
Yeah,
actually.
not only that, the evaluation also is not accurately done. Somebody is giving videos, you just check online, you just spend some time Googling, and
Yeah,
Google
yeah,
is a real killer actually. If you Google answers and you do it, you're not using your brain. And that actually created a lot of problem. If I was learning algorithms and data structures, it created problem. So I want to get out of that and then go through the right guru and then take
yes.
it forward from there.
Okay, Kiran. And it's Sharmana is there,
Hmm.
not there.
I,
I
I see
think
online, somebody
Yes,
online.
yes,
yeah,
yes.
yeah. Yes, Shamla.
Hi, Vikas. Hello
Yeah,
team.
hi.
This is working for Robert Bosch as a
Mhm.
software engineer. I just started my uh, learning into this machine learning and this Python data science. So
Mhm.
all the ecosystems I just started. So
Mhm.
I'm new to.
Okay. And
Uh,
year of how many years experience do you have?
I'm having 6.5 years of experience. Currently working as a senior software engineer.
Okay.
Basically web development into Java.
Okay, okay, good. So both are you are comfortable with the Java. So Python is very easy compared to Java. Okay.
Okay.
So
I
and
hope so.
yeah, no, no, it's a very we can say if Java is difficulty level is 10 and the Python we can go up to 3 only. Not
Is it?
not more than 3. Yes, yes, yes. That is.
But can we write complex algorithms and data structures using Python?
Yes, yes, that things we need to know only the some whatever we have right model. We need to choose the right model. It's a
Okay.
very less coding we required there. It's a we can maximize the code up to the 200 line, whatever the algorithm is there, not more than
Oh,
this.
okay.
Okay. Uh, so I start what is data science. So please let me know what you thinking. You are both are the experienced guy. So data science is just a combination of three things. It's a computer science, some mathematics with statistics and domain knowledge also. Because we are here to solve the real time business problems or to support our company decision making by the our data science model. Is it right?
Hmm.
Yeah.
And so I will start with the my slides. Okay. 1 minute. Yeah. So in data science, sometimes we need the big data. Big data only we need to retrieve the data. Whatever the data we need uh, to analyze, at that time we need the big data only, or else we can use any other resources. Some of the resources they will provide us that data, whatever the data, and we need to get knowledge from the data only. So knowledge that support decision making and as well as the predictive analysis. Okay.
Okay.
And here in my course content, I will say you later. First we go what in my course content. So here we learn data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning. So first we learn data science a little bit, then we go for the machine learning and with Python. For Python also one session is there. One session means it's a 10, 20 plus hour session with Python. And then we go for the machine learning. And artificial intelligence and deep learning. So data science is subset of machine learning, artificial intelligence, domain knowledge. Why domain knowledge is there? Because we need to solve the problem related to domain. Because if we got the data, so if we know about the domain, at that time we can uh, separate what is useful data and what is not useful data. Okay.
So it's in,
Okay.
yeah, that's interesting. Why deep
Yes.
learning is not intersecting with the data science?
Yeah, this is just PPT, but deep learning is now most in data science. Deep learning is also come there.
Okay.
Okay, deep learning also we are going through because TensorFlow, Keria is nowadays very trending, and we are using
Mhm.
in my course also that things that are
Yeah,
the
I think
part of.
Google is also doing some deep learning, right? It's why that's why I ask.
No. Deep learning is nowadays trending because if you go for the any of TensorFlow, I think you heard about TensorFlow. Is it
No, I
right?
heard about it. I heard it. I don't know much.
Yes. TensorFlow is a open source by the Google where we can
Mm,
analyze videos as well as some photos and for very fast rather than writing the program and those things. We are using
mm,
program also with Python with TensorFlow. Okay.
mm.
So it will go, and it's a concept of the deep learning. What is deep learning? Deep learning is just a machine learning. If we use the machine learning algorithm and number of machine learning algorithm if combines, okay, and as
Mhm.
well as we can say if you know about it's a multiple uh, processes at the same time we are doing, that is deep learning. Just a difference between machine learning and deep learning. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. And so what is data science? I think it's a just we need to combine statistics, mathematics, programming, and visualization. Turn data into the information is the data science. Okay,
Okay.
that is no any concrete definition till now. We just I make it simple only now. Okay,
Mhm.
so the next thing in data science component of data science. So domain expertise, scientific methods. So what type of statics and scientific methods we need here? We need here that are the utilized in our domain or whatever project we have. There, what type of the algorithm we need to use? That only the statics and the mathematics we required here. So we can say it's up to the 10th level and higher also up to the 12th level. And I think both are you from the computer science background or which background? Means is your graduation in which field? I want to know.
I have
Samara,
done in electronics and communication.
okay. And you, Samara? Hello? I think it's audible. Is it audible to you?
Looks like
It is
he
not.
has muted the phone.
Okay. Not an issue. That is
So
okay.
is that a
So
problem if I'm not from a computer science or
no, not a problem. Just if you are from the engineering background or MCA or BSc at
okay.
least, so it
I'm
will
engineering.
some, yeah,
Engineering.
yeah, some engineering are related to maths, so it's quite easy. Only just the thing is that not a big difference anyone because you all
Okay.
are the experience with the uh, industry, so you got it in by your experience also. Okay.
Makes sense.
Yes. So one more thing is there. There is two language for Python and R is there. So both are the easy one. But
Mhm.
my course is more on Python.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, and I will also give some session with the R also because some project we need to handle with the R and some project we need to handle with the Python. Means it
Okay.
depend on the what is the our goal there and what the time required with the Python and what the time required with the R. So if you are interested with the both at that time we you can exempt also with the R also, that is not a big deal. But if you do it, you will feel comfortable, because some project we can do only with the Python, and some project we can go along with R also. Okay.
So tell me one thing, because I understood. I
Yes.
mean, now, right now, at least, I can see that it is not a black box anymore. I can see a little bit inside, but I'm still very confused. How much of human interaction is required as a programmer to do these data science projects? Because everything looks pretty straightforward, right? Any developer can do. Why do we need specialized knowledge?
Specialized knowledge, because the problem, we need to getting knowledge from the data. So at that time we need, we want to know what data is useful and what data is not useful there. Okay.
Okay.
So for that we need that expertise actually. If we can.
But
Yes.
if you
Tell
see
me.
the big machine, if they see this, what you call as map reduce and Hadoop and all of this we do, end of the
Hmm.
day, whatever reports that are available or the data that is available, it can also do it, right?
Yes,
Why?
do it. But for the recommendation engine, you know about the recommendation engineer, recommendation engine.
Briefly, and I don't know
Yes, yes.
much.
It's when you searching something in Amazon or Google also. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Within the page load time is 2 seconds. Okay. With a 2 second, they will give us some recommendation at that time. If you search for the LED for 40-inch LED TV, at that time Google give you some ad there. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
For with Amazon, with Flipkart, or some other e-commerce. So
Yeah, maybe
that is
I'm
the.
trying to block you, but yeah, that
Hmm,
I know. But it depends on how you actually eventually store the data, right? Whatever data that is available. Like for
yes,
example,
yes,
if you know about this NoSQL database or a document database with
yes.
appropriate partitioning of the data, then results for that would be faster.
No,
Why do you
result
think
would
it
be
won't be
faster. We
faster?
need to the result faster, as well as the machine. After the 1 minute, I will tell you. After the second time, recommendation engine is a learn itself. This is the big better concept in data science actually. They learn itself. If we design one time data science or machine learning algorithm, they learn itself by their data, whatever data coming, and what is their uses in a particular field. That's
Can you give
matter.
me an
If we,
example, please?
yes, yes,
Say
for the
today I search for products, for example, I try to purchase shirts, right? From Amazon,
yes.
try to purchase shirts for office purpose. How will
Okay.
the algorithm learn itself to give me that? What exactly does it do?
If you go for the learn the if you go for to buy a shirt from Amazon, okay, so
Mm-hmm.
when you first they have the your previous buy history also they have. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What type of product you are using, not in shirt only. If you buy some Apple iPad or some computer related things or anything, okay, if you buy previously one shoes there with the Nike, okay, at that
Mm-hmm.
time they will know that you are looking something branded. Okay, so they will give you some pop-up with branded shirts only. And after you choose any shirt, at that time they will send you some related pant also with the same that is related to that shirt. Means
Okay.
color combination. If you choosing the formal shirt, they will show you the formal pant. If you choose your t-shirt, at that time you will got the some link or some uh, pop up with the jeans also. That happens there.
Yeah, but I
That.
might not be interested in that time, right? Second time when I come, I might not be interested. I might be trying to buy for
Yes.
somebody else.
Yes, yes. So what happened? They are just want to increase their revenue. So they want to you go you do more time with your their website and buy something with them at least.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what happen if you buy, you want to buy for somewhere someone else, okay, but if you saw some jeans and t-shirt also at there, and if you means interest become to buy yourself also, you can do it. That thing happen if you just searching what is the LED TV in Google, at he it's give the pop-up for the buy also. So at that
Mm-hmm.
time we can go there and search that at least. Is it right?
So, right. So, are you saying that one of the core features of implementing data science is that we will be able to do effective recommendations to the customers or to
Yes.
the business problems? Okay.
Yes, and another, if you go for the telecommunication, okay, in telecommunication, what happened? They have the all our data. They know how we are spend time with the and calling some persons, and how SMS we are sending, how much internet we are using. If we and they say they retrieve all the data to the one of the machine learning algorithm, and there they will check if we are reducing our calling and reducing our internet, or we want something, our behavior change from last 3 months, they will send us some SMS and some more info, more lollipop type of things, because they think we are want to left their services, okay. It's a
Mm.
in a telecommunication we say it's a charm, okay. If some person is jump from one, now portability in India is from last 2 or 3 years, it's very easy. So telecommunication like Airtel or Idea just check our status, what are we are doing and what we are not doing. If they think we are going to the another service provider, something like that, they know. Because if we are using less time on internet, or we just not taking some small data pack from previously, that things not
Mm.
happen, but before 1 year scenario, that is okay. So they
Okay.
will say send us a new plan that is more profitable to us. So because
Okay.
to get a new customer is a more difficult rather to take our previous customer with telecommunication. Is it right?
Correct.
Yeah, that things happen in telecommunication, as well as finance also. Finance, we can say it's a banking domain also. When you go for some in loan, okay, for loan they are asking now you very information from you, what is your current location, current price, and what they, you know about the CIBIL score.
No.
CIBIL score is a one score, it's a tell them all the banking have that score access with our name and date of birth, they can access it with some pay amount something. Then they will know that how, what is our history with uh, getting loan, and to fill
Ah,
that things they will know.
it will tell
And
the credit history, right? Credit
yeah,
rating.
credit history, what is our credit card, and what type of credit card we are using, and what is our payment mode, and we are how we are schedule these things. We are
Mm.
default sometimes, or we are not defaulting, they will know that thing by the CIBIL score also. And
Okay.
they will analyze this how much, sometimes the person will get more loan, that the means manager give more loan, that he
Mm.
is able, because of
Mm-hmm.
his credit history only. So that
Mm.
things in data science we can say. But you think why data science is using there? Because
Mm.
nowadays everybody have the laptop, what we say mobile also, okay. So they can gather all the data there, and they will means send you some SMS, or some not SMS we can say, it's
Mm.
some offer in your banking websites. When you log in there, you got some offer, you will get this loan with this much interest, and that is not same for the all one, okay.
Oh, okay.
That is depends on your what is your credit history there, that depends on it. If you are you are two colleagues with the same pay rate, and you are more better than the other guy, at that time they will give you more offer with less rate, because they
Mm-hmm.
know your pay, there is less risk with you. Okay.
Correct. Mm.
There are three domains I told you what your data science we can do it.
Right. Okay.
Yes. And
Thank you.
so in the data science we have more part of the data wrangling also, cleaning data acquisition, data acquisition. Did you see my screen now?
Yep.
Yes, yes. So first we need to the ask, we have one question there. Question is that what the company want, what our client want, whatever the we have the problem, that is the question. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then we need to find the right data acquisition, whatever data we need to solve this problem. Okay. Then the next part, that is a very jumbling part, data wrangling. Here we can sampling the data and cleaning
Hey,
data, preparing the data. Yes.
I have one question. Will you send these slides or can I take a screenshot of this? I'm just asking before I
Yes,
do
yes,
it.
yes, yes. Not an issue, that is.
Okay, thank you. So yeah, so organization has to know why they will use this, why they need data science solutions, right?
Yes. And
Okay.
one more thing, you know about the Paytm is the one company that hired the data science engineer in 2012. At that time,
Wow.
I'm in big data, and I also listen that things. At that time,
Mm.
and they will hire at the rate of more than the US market.
Wow.
The guy
2012
Sarma,
only.
yes, yes. At that time, they are hiring at the 2 crore and 1.5 crore something per annum basis data sciences. And
Mm.
the guy they are hiring, his previous package is just up to the 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs between that,
Mm.
because that is a startup. Paytm is that time. Okay. Nobody want
Mm.
to come from the big companies like Google, your Microsoft, any this type of company to a startup at that time. That happens.
Mm. Mm.
So they
Mm.
will give more than 10 times package to them to come
Mm.
here and make some solution with this one, and how we will get the more users.
Now
Did
it
you
is not
use New York Times also used it to image processing with text recognition?
okay.
By that they will they will convert all the his previous paper into the digitalized. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. For if we go for just I go with the some example with data science where we can use it. Okay. So if you write any question in Google search engine, it will give us the result by using the algorithm. Lots of algorithm is there. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
By using, we can say, you say Hadoop, it's a GFS. They are using the Google is using the GFS, Google File System, and that Hadoop come from the GFS. Actually, Google produced its released its a white paper in 2003, and the
Mm-hmm.
person who developed the GFS, dog cutting is the name of that main person. He also developed the YFS Yahoo file system, and Yahoo donate this uh, dog cutting to Apache. Okay, with top 100 team to Apache to develop the Hadoop. Okay,
Okay.
that is not relevant with this one, but I will tell you. I know that, so that okay. So in data science, if we write anything query, the query is go with the keyword false matches on the web, some scrubbing in the inappropriate content also. That is the algorithm they are using. Okay, Kiran?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And using data science in healthcare. You know, we have some now smart watches also,
Correct.
and the biometric data transferred to the IoT gateway. IoT is the Internet of Things, means our Internet of Things is just one, the device connected with the internet,
Mm-hmm.
and that is the if one particular person, it's a given data, we can say store per second data also for that one. Is it right?
Correct, correct. This example I know because I have the smartwatch, so I know what
Yes,
are it
yes.
collects.
And even some of the companies also taking that data. If you subscribe some plan with them, they will collect this data and give you some response with your health also. Is it
Correct.
right? So
Mm-hmm.
here we are using the data science to make the information informed decision, engage dashboard.
Mm-hmm.
I think this is more appropriate example of the data science,
Okay.
because it's the data that will come always changing. Is it right?
Correct.
Sometimes anybody heartbeat will become low and low and low. At that time the person, the our machine applied model is there, send some SMS to the relevant pupil, not only that pupil, always also the with the doctor also, and some family member also, who you previously put it on your information box. Is it right?
Mm-hmm.
That is very helpful. So healthcare in data science is a big advantage we are getting with the healthcare, because if for the cancer